Hi guys, hope you're well. I'm super excited for today's unboxing. It has been quite a while since I haven't been doing like an unboxing since actually my birthday, which was in May, and we are in October. I had other investments that I will mention it very soon. I need to make the video, but it's a very large investment. So I was not able to buy anything from the wishlist because, it was not my priority actually. But these were not on my wish list, definitely not. But I had a crush. I fell in love completely with these babies. So I'm going to show you. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm Margot, alias margavalux. I'm French. I love luxury bags, accessories, So if you like it too, well, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. Welcome around here. I try to always be like simple, kind of. It's weird to say this because, these are not simple. But I work my ass off to be able to offer myself these beauties because this is what I like. Anyway, so to explain a little bit why it was like right now, I was in Cannes. It's south of France, like French Riviera. Have you been there? Like, let me know in the comments where you're from and if you have been to Cannes or south of France already, if you liked it or not. So I have some family in south of France, in Cannes, so I've been there. And it was also the Cannes Yachting Festival. And Vincent, my partner, is working as a yacht broker. So if you are looking for a boat to charter or to sell or to buy, do not forget to contact me. You can, and I will I will give you the contact of Vincent with pleasure. It has like yachts and all this type of things. So it's his thing. So we were in Cannes for this because it was a big like Cannes Yachting Festival. It's a very important event in the yacht industry. So this is why I've been there. My parents were there also because we've been like with the family. And of course, I went to go to see what they have in the new collection. We've been to Dior, we've been to Chanel, to Louis Vuitton, and so on. I had a crush. And I was like, oh my God, I saw them, I tried them. I posted them actually on my Instagram. So my Instagram is here in case you want to follow me there. I don't post every single day. I don't post a lot. I try, but I do my best. I'm an entrepreneur. So like social media are not my, social media are not super like the first thing I do in the morning because I have my own company that are selling bags actually. So it's already I did. Anyway, so I had a crush. I tried them on. I did not buy them like directly. I went on the next day because I was like, okay, I completely love them. I need to buy them. And I always told myself like I would never in my life buy Chanel shoes brand new on store. What did I do? I have them here. So it's quite, I was like, I always told me like, I was like, don't buy them like brand new, like in store. It's not worth the money. But, I worked my ass off this year and I was like, I need to make me a gift for beginning of the year. I deserve it. I deserve them. And I've been watching on Vestiaire Collective with my clients if I had like quite some similar stuff, and they did not because I know them. Like they are sometimes very as new and not super expensive, loved, but new or as new. But anyway, they are here. Let's unbox it together. I don't have the shopping bag because in the plane it was too like, I don't like to keep it anyway. So I'm super excited. The lady that was our essay, I don't have any essay in Cannes in particular. She was very nice actually, like not amazing, like it's Chanel, but she was nice. So it helped me. My mom also got like them, like exactly the same, and she also got the sling bag in beige. It was her dream, so I was like, go for them. I love them. And sling bags are sometimes more expensive secondhand than in store, so Okay, so I have all the papers, everything, Oh, I know some people like don't understand luxury and will be like, is she like crazy about some Chanel thing? And yes, I am. Anyway, you are going to understand why. I love them. So these are Chanel ballerinas. I don't usually like ballerinas. I tried them and fell in love. They are a tweed, like green khaki tweed with little pearls and the black Chanel logo. Very simple. I took size bigger actually because usually I'm 37 and I don't know what it is like 37 in US size, but usually I'm 37 Europe. And it was too small for me, so I took like a 38 to be more comfy inside. Inside is also khaki green. They are gorgeous. I actually love them already. They are quite... I know these are not a good investment because tweed can, be very sensitive, but I don't know. I completely fell in love. My dad is a green lover. He loves everybody's green, and he was like, he don't really like luxury, like at first, but he was like, oh, it's green. I love him. I was like, yeah, should buy them. I was like, okay. So no, what do you think about them? Do you like them? I fell in love with the tweed actually, and they are like less harder like than the leather, full leather, because it's more flexible. So it would be more comfy because I have really hard time to like make shoes here on this part and here. So they are actually super comfy. I'm quite shocked. I was hesitating with some mules at Dior and these ones. Originally, I would go more for Dior, but I saw them and I completely fell in love. And for the autumn winter, they're going to be amazing. I'm going to show you right now how they fit on me and some much shots. So these are very comfy, I have to admit. I think it's going to be very easy to make them. But if they were like full leather, I think they would hurt my feet here actually. So I took them like in tweed and they were like quite amazing. I do have a linen pants still because it's very hot in Barcelona. I live in Barcelona. But yeah, they look great. Even with a jean now, I'm going to show you. And now I do have my jean. This is a very large jean. The jean is from Esdir. I will let you know and link in description box. But yeah, this is very cute also. You could wear it with like a black pant. Actually, it fits with so many things. So I'm quite happy. And I live in a city in Barcelona in Spain that is with lots of sun, not many days of rain. So I'm going to be able to wear them quite a lot in winter. So now I have my jean. So yeah, I would definitely not recommend them. Like the camera is a bit low, but anyway. So I would definitely not recommend them if you live like in a place where it's super rainy, because it's tweed, so it will damage very easily if it has like some rain on it, like water on it. So I would really advise you to wear it like in a place where it's kind of sunny all the time, or to be very careful with them. I think I bought them, like the price was, I believe, 980 euro. So it's quite a budget. It's like a very like high budget for shoes. I know this. Like I usually don't go over certain budget for shoes, and I went way over it. It's my first Chanel shoes, brand new. I don't know, like it was not a good investment, but I'm quite happy about them. But like they look gorgeous. It's gonna be easy to style them. So yeah, let me know in the comment if you saw them in store, if you have them, if you bought any other pair of shoes like Chanel or other. Let me know in the comment. Let me know that I'm not alone here. And yes, I'll see you very soon for another video. Wednesday will be like a bag drop day, so where I'll sell my luxury handbags and accessories. See you soon and happy shopping. Enjoy life and thank you for being here. Bisous.